Meet Chef Donkey and sous chef Kitty. Today, they're making tofu. They mash, stir, and simmer, turning beans into silky smooth soy milk. Step by step, their teamwork pays off, and the tofu begins to take shape. And finally, time to taste their masterpiece. A dish made with love always tastes the best. Cooking, friendship, and fun, that's the real secret ingredient. Oh no! Chef Donkey sneezed. Sous Chef Cat thought it was so funny. Sous Chef Cat and Chef Donkey are so happy with their progress. Chef Donkey gives a big thumbs up. They really look like they are enjoying the tofu. Sous Chef Cat and Chef Donkey have become such good friends cooking together. They may not be master chefs, but this cat and donkey sure know how to stir up fun. What will they cook next? Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And if you want to try out the same software I used to make this video, just click the link below.